Stop wasting money on manual labor. This machine pumps concrete like a beast. It's called the Concrete Delivery Screw Pump Machine. Have a look at these videos and see how it works. Tired of slow, expensive labor on your construction site? Say hello to the Concrete Delivery Screw Pump Machine, your new, money-saving, time-crushing, backache-preventing hero. Why you need this machine? Slash labor costs. Why pay 10 workers when one machine does it 10x faster? Non-stop concrete flow. No more delays, just smooth, continuous pumping. Work smarter, not harder, more projects finished. Shucks, more dollars in your pocket. Durable and long-lasting, built to survive years of heavy-duty work. Sourcing from Alibaba? I've got your back. I negotiate the best prices, no overpaying for cheap junk. 100% brand new and genuine machines, no scams, no surprises. Fast shipping to your country. Sit back, relax, and let me handle the logistics. Need any construction machine? Just ask me. Excavators, mixers, cranes, whatever you need, DM me. I'll find you the best deal and even review it in my next video. Comment below which machine you need next. Let's build smarter together. Hit follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next money-saving machine breakdown.
So much trouble to get out of the money. Let's do that. These people are